When was the last time you wanted to speak up, but instead you chose to stay quiet? What held you back? Do you feel angry, and was the anger directed at yourself as well as the other? What was the effect of you not being able to speak up? Did you feel resentment after the conversation? Is there a conversation or something that needs to be said that you've been avoiding? What can you say to yourself, to the other person? How would you start this conversation? What clarity of mind do you need before this conversation takes place? Real assertiveness is recognizing when saying no is a form of self-respect. After all, if you say yes to someone else, you're saying no to yourself. And by saying no to you, I'm saying yes to myself, my personal space, my mental well-being. Because if you're assertive, you would also give them the voice to be heard. And they too will then feel comfortable being assertive. So the next time you decide to stay silent when you want to say something, I urge you to consider, is the price of staying silent worth it? I will help you during this time to discover how to develop authentic, respectful assertiveness so you can live, lead, and love with clarity and confidence. I hope you will consider signing up for a full-day workshop where we will do more than just learn what assertiveness means. We will practice a variety of scenarios and eventually help you become more confident in being assertive in your daily lives. Remember, your voice matters and you deserve to be heard. So speak up and stay true to yourself.